started back with the Apex Corporation in the 70s, and the birth of Silicon River in North Korea. Even back then, their tech was way ahead of what was coming out of America. We bought everything they could sell, from phones to tablets to just about anything. And when they started making weapons, well, we couldn't resist. Our wars in the Middle East had been getting worse and worse, one leading straight to the next. Even after that terrible day in Riyadh, we kept fighting as our country fell apart. And still, we bought Apex to give us an edge. As the dollar tanked, our debt to North Korea spiraled. Unemployment rocketed, and the country was on its knees. The failing government defaulted on the debt, and the North Koreans made their decision. Every piece of technology they'd sold us had a back door. They turned off our military with a single button press. The first KPA troops on U.S. soil were said to be there to rebuild. But after the early aid packages, there was only brutality. They stole our liberty and our freedom. America is under control of the KPA. But she will rise again. You are the revolution.
Hello and welcome to KAC. I'm Subin Kang. Today's top story. Preparations begin today for the much-anticipated Patriots' Day parade. This auspicious calendar event celebrates the contribution of the liaison officers who work tirelessly to bridge the gap between the emergency administration and the ordinary citizens. To ensure the safety of the citizens during the parade, Mayor Simpson has vowed to redouble anti-terrorist efforts and has allocated additional peacekeeper resources to tackle any and all criminal activity in the lead-up to the parade. Mayor Simpson has just released the following statement.
We all know only too well the threats we face daily here in Philadelphia. The bombings, the shootings, all orchestrated by Benjamin Walker's national network of terror. Rest assured, we will bring these criminals to justice.
Peacekeeper patrols keep our streets safe and secure for all citizens. Thanks to improved threat recognition systems in our drones, potential terrorists can be identified and neutralized swiftly.
That fucking guy. He calls us terrorists after what he's done?
He wouldn't be so confident if he knew Walker was right here in Philly.
Yeah, Walker's really gonna stir things up. How long till he's due?
5 minutes. Hope one of those new drones doesn't scan him. Are we ready?
Think so. Fucking hope so. It's something, eh, Brady? Only been, what, 3 days with us? And you're gonna meet Walker in person? He's the whole reason I'm here.
He's inspired all of us. Brady, can you pass me some gas? Thanks. I guess Walker was a legend in Washington too, huh? I heard a little about what happened there. I'm sorry. I'm glad you're here with us now.
Hey guys, there's something weird. The street's deserted.
What?
Shit, is it us?
Fuck, Walker's gonna be here any minute! Out! Get out!
We don't tell him nothing, Brady. You hear?
Hello. Thank you for waiting so patiently. We can get started now. So, you are gonna tell me where I can find Benjamin Walker.
You're wasting your time here. The last thing I heard, Walker was down in Memphis.
You know I have superpowers?
Fuck your powers, you pathetic little traitor.
Oh, sounds like someone needs a demonstration. I'll show you exactly how powerful I am. I take my hand like this. I point, Barry, and...
Do it, you son of a bitch!
No! No! No!
Ain't that something? So, how about it? Are you ready to talk now?
I'll tell you.
I'm getting tired of your bullshit! Start talking! I won't go so easy on you. It's Walker. Wait! Wait! Fuck you.
Walker, we're getting out of here. Oh, shit. We gotta get out. I know a place to go. Help me up. Oh, what a fucking mess. This is the place. We should be safe here for now, but the Norks will tear the district apart looking for us. We've got to make contact with another resistance cell. Fuck, I picked a bad time to get shot. Remember these? This phone is our ticket to safety, if you can find a network transceiver and hack into it. That'll connect us to the hidden resistance signal and show us the closest safe house. Here, take it. We're working blind here. You need to find a resistance stash. That should have intel on the district, including transceiver locations. But hurry, Brady, we don't have long. You can do this, Brady. They will find us. We have to locate a safe house. You're our only chance.
Attention.
What do you think the
A
lockdown's
security
for?
operation is occurring in this zone. All
Nothing's
travel
red.
is suspended.
Just another day for you and me in paradise.
Attention. A security operation is occurring in this zone. All travel is suspended.
Every time I see another raid, I just think.
Attention. A security operation is occurring in this zone. All travel is suspended.
Hello and welcome to KAC. Today's top story,
Hey, I've been keeping it.
Attention. A security operation is occurring in this zone. All travel is suspended.
You okay? You look a little spaced out.
My bad.
I stand before you today bringing news of a most dangerous individual who has illegally entered into our city.
Attention. A security operation is occurring in this zone. All travel is suspended. Attention. A security operation is occurring in this zone. All travel is suspended.
Face around here again, I'll have you put on braggart. You'll be clear.
Attention. A security operation is occurring in this zone. All travel is suspended. Attention. A security operation is occurring in this zone. All travel is suspended.
Hey, you think Walker or this Brady could be in our district? That would be crazy.
Sorry.
security operation is occurring
Well,
in this
that
zone.
does sound
All travel is
magical.
suspended.
I promised my mom when I was younger that I'd never mess with anything.
Hey, thanks.
Why should I? Why should I? You used to be a... Whoa!
Attention. A security operation is occurring in this
Come on,
zone.
take a look.
All travel
I
is
got all
suspended.
kinds. I got a digital clock radio out back. Japanese classic, retro design. Beautiful thing. Batteries included. If you're interested, I can go get it. It'll cost, but it's worth it.
Excuse me. Show a bit of goddamn respect.
Attention. A security operation is occurring in this zone. All travel is suspended.
Okay. I gotta shoot. Busy day. Aren't they all?
Batteries, electricals, good working order.
Did you need something? You look worried. I just don't understand what the government was doing. Keep your head down.
Hey, something wrong?
여기는 본부, 알았죠?
Oh, get out of here!
Attention. A security operation is occurring in this zone. All travel is suspended.
Wayne says your legs are getting bad again. Go on, then.
Gotta get home, need some sleep.
Attention. A security operation is occurring in this zone. All travel is suspended.
Wish I was famous like Walker. Bet girls just jump on him. My teeth talk to me. Grind 'em to shut 'em up.
Attention. A security operation is occurring in this zone. All
I'm
travel
guessing
is
you're sick
suspended.
of that chemical soup they want us to drink from the taps. Am I right? You know I am. Come get some pure rainwater. Clean drinking water straight out of the
Attention.
sky.
A security operation is occurring in this zone. All travel is suspended.
What's on your mind?
Water! Clean water! Puritan all of
Attention. A security operation is occurring in this zone. All travel is suspended. Attention.
What's up? You
A
lost?
security operation is occurring in this zone. All travel is suspended. security operation is occurring in this zone. All travel is suspended. Attention. A security operation is occurring in this zone. All travel is suspended.
I can't believe it. That's Walker. Oh my God.
Walker!
Leave him alone.
This changes nothing.
They got Walker.
You hear me? Others will rise up. You can't stop. Get the fuck off me! Get the fuck up!
I can't believe it. They got him. Did you see his leg? Oh my God.
Here, Walker's been arrested.
Is that Walker? Did you see his leg?
I can't believe it. Why would he come here? Why take such a stupid risk? Now they've got him.
I loved his broadcasts so much. They made it seem like we could change all this if we just believed enough.
Don't think we believe anymore.
I'll be here if we change your mind.
Attention. A security operation is occurring in this zone. All travel is suspended. Attention. A security operation is occurring in this zone. All travel is suspended.
Hey, you looking for someone? You going to get some money?
One day. Sorry.
Attention.
Hey,
A security operation is occurring in this zone. All travel is suspended.
see this, Gus? He was all like, what the fuck? Then bam!
I saw it. Where are you going, huh?
Fucking spy, fucking traitor, trying to sell us out to the Norks for a handful of rice, yeah? Let's teach him a lesson. I'll go first.
Easy, Bakes. Dana said we caught anyone, we gotta tell her first. You don't want to piss her off, do you?
Well, I just hope she leaves a piece for me.
I wouldn't count on it. I don't think I'll be seeing you again.
Heavy fuck, huh?
Be a bit lighter once Dana's finished with him.
Yeah.
Hello down there. I'm Dana. And you are? Mr. Spy. You and I, we're gonna play a game. You're gonna tell me what the Norks know about us, and I'm gonna hurt you while you do it. This game will be a lot more fun for me than you, I'm afraid. Question is, will it be quick? Or will it be really, really slow? Just scream as loud as you want, okay? No need to suffer in silence. Okay. Nipples first, I think.
Hey, Dana, I hear we got company. Who is he?
Just another spy. Gonna ask him a few questions.
How do you know he's a spy?
Well, that's what Baker and Scazzari said.
Those two? Dana, they're dumb as shit. You got anything on him? Say, pal. Got some ID? You got here. Ethan Brady. I knew it. Walker's message said he was coming in with this guy.
Well, no one told me.
Yeah, well, if I could ever find you when I need you. You'd only just joined Harvey's crew, right? I'm sorry about what happened, but you survived. We could use a guy like you. I'm Jack Parrish, by the way. This is Doc Sam Burnett, and, Dana Moore you met. No hard feelings, I hope.
You're a lucky boy.
You okay, kid? Looks like some head trauma. Possible concussion. I got some pills you should take.
Hey, Doc, you don't need doping up. He needs to keep his focus.
Head injuries can be unpredictable. You feeling confused, kid? Disconnected?
He's fine, Doc. You know what's real, don't you, Brady?
Looks like he's been through a lot. Last thing he needs is more trouble. Can't you fix him up a new ID and let him go?
It's not that easy, Doc. You saw the screens. The Norks want this guy bad. Besides, we need people like him. Ain't afraid to take a chance.
And he's seen too much already.
Yeah. So, what do you say, Brady? You gonna stick with us, huh? It ain't gonna be glamorous. And you're probably gonna die.
Speeches like that. I'm amazed we haven't won the war already.
Yeah, well, that's why we need Walker, huh? Words ain't my specialty. So, any objections to Brady joining us?
Yeah.
No? Sweet.
Well, if no one's gonna listen to me, I'll be getting back to my work. Good luck, kid.
Go long, Doc. All right. As soon as we get word where they're holding Walker, we gotta find a way to bust him out. Everything depends on him. But first things first, we're gonna get you trained up and show you how we do things around here.
I'm heading out. Got that transceiver to take care of.
See ya. Walk with me. Well, it's good you came along when you did, Brady. Walker must have seen potential in you. I don't know if he trusted you. My instincts tell me you're all right. We need more people like you. People willing to join the uprising. That's what it's all about now. We gotta stir the people up, and soon enough we'll be snowballing. Get the whole city behind us, and the Norks won't stand a chance. Walker's the spark. People will follow him. We gotta get him back. We've been down here for a few months now. This is all part of the Broad Street subway extension that was mothballed back in '21 when the city ran out of money.
It's not on any of the pre-war maps, so the Norks don't know about it. And here you have it, Brady. This is the boot that's gonna kick the KPA's ass. Come on over here. But first things first, let's get some American steel in your hands. This is, Sidney Cook. He runs the armory.
Who's this?
That's Ethan Brady. He was helping Walker.
Walker got arrested.
Yeah, but that wasn't Brady's fault. Don't worry about Cookie here. He's generally in a pissed-off mood. But he's a genius in improvising weapons, and that's why we keep him around. Ain't that right, Cookie? Always cooking up something new.
One day you're gonna make that joke and I'll shoot you dead. Then we'll see who's laughing, huh?
Sidney, take it easy, will you? Brady needs a weapon. What can you spare?
You can... this. If it turns out you show some aptitude, then we can talk about upgrading.
It's okay to me, but ask more. I can't see her clearing this.
We can do this. I know you're thinking a pistol won't do much, but with one of Cookie's special conversion kits, suddenly you got yourself an SMG.
You sure about this? Seems like a death trap.
This could work.
Come on, Brady, grab yourself a kit. There you go. Now try converting your pistol.
We don't have the manpower. Shitload of ammo.
Always a charmer. See you around, Sid.
Parrish, we're still waiting on that transceiver intel.
Yeah, I know. Don't worry about it. Moore's on it. Say hey to Brady here. He's a new recruit. The Resistance is more than just frontline troops.
What's up?
People helping the best they can. Take Doc Burnett. He's a good example.
It's gonna take something drastic to win this war.
That's not gonna win this war, though. Top line is, we gotta build up our strength by expanding our red zone operations. We keep ambushing and raiding. That weakens the Norks and strengthens us. Eventually, we'll turn the tables.
You need to organize enough.
Come over here, Brady.
Hope you're up to the task.
And in the yellow zones, we're fighting for the hearts and minds of the people trapped there. We give them the belief that we can win. And when Walker gives the call, they'll rise up and follow. We only get one shot, though. We gotta be ready.
We've got to get some ammo.
Okay, I want you to head to the red zone. Dana will teach you how we operate. Out there, she's the best in the business. Just try not to piss her off, huh? Show me I'm right to trust you, okay?
You don't want to go out there unprepared. You should take some Molotovs. Hey, Lorna, help the new guy out.
Be best if you learn how to make your own. Grab some ingredients and give it a try. Okay, now just put it all together. Try making one. There you go, nice one.
Okay, now you're set. Molotovs are great against their soldiers, but they don't do shit to drones or vehicles, so watch out for those. Elm tree's down here.
Good luck out there.
Dana, this is Parrish. I'm sending you Brady. He can help you hit the KPA transceiver. Make sure you get the coordinates of every KPA operation in the area.
Dana here. Understood. We'll get you those locations. As soon as we can reach the KPA transceiver, we'll download the data.
Shit, Dana. We got a patrol. They must have switched routes overnight. You got any ideas?
No time to go around. Let's hit them.
company.
Brady, over here. Okay, Parrish wants you trained, and I guess I owe you for before, so you get to learn from the best. Just try not to screw things up. New plan. We're ambushing this patrol. Brady, best if you go with G-Man. Just do what he says. Try not to die.
Come on, buddy, this way. And yeah, try not to die.
Alpha, you got anything?
Give me a second. Okay, yeah, Dana, there's barrel traps on Elm Tree Avenue just ahead.
Brady, through here. Come on, let's hustle, dude. Through the window, then get your head down. They're close.
Just hope it works.
They're approaching the marker. This is it.
Ready on the barrels. Not yet. Wait. Now!
It worked! Get the rest!
Okay. Airship's coming in. We don't have long. Loose the truck. Go, go, go!
Seekers!
Heads up! Another patrol!
Jesse and White are down!
We're done here! Fall back! Fall back! Split up! Isaac's team, head for the transceiver. Fire team, regroup. On me!
That's us, Brady! Come on!
Dana, this is Isaac. We're flapping in the breeze here. Where are you guys?
Isaac, we hit trouble. Be better if we split up. Everyone head for a transceiver. With luck, some of us will find a way through. Brady, I've uploaded a transceiver location to your phone. We'll try for the others. Good luck.
Up a lot of our vehicles during the early days. After the Battle of Philly, the KPA turned it into a stronghold. Take it back.
Dana,
This is Parrish. What's the situation? You reached the transceiver yet?
Parrish, we hit trouble. Had to split up. One of us will get there, don't worry.
Okay, I'm counting on you.
차량 수리팀은 5레벨 툴셋으로